That was great. That was amazing.
That's awful. What is up, everyone? We are driving right now to
Franklin Falls.
And we are going to be doing...
We're looking at waterfalls.
There you go. Well done. Yeah, so we're going to go take a drive.
We practiced about 2 times.
About 2 times, if you couldn't tell. We're going to go take a nice drive in the rain. You'll see it. It's raining. It'll be great, though. I'm excited. We might, maybe, if we're lucky, hit a little bit of snow today. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, enjoy this ride with us. I froze. I just literally froze.
Swipe away!
And...
We have 38 miles to sing him happy birthday. Okay. As soon as he answers, start singing.
Okay, what if he doesn't answer?
His name is Bruce. But leave a message.
Awkward.
Okay.
Hi, you reached Prince Dorman. Sorry that I missed your call.
Yeah, we'll
Okay,
leave a
my
message.
sister will give you a call back.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bruce. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, Bruce!
Yeah, Bruce!
Yeah!
Get it, Bruce! Get it! Bruce!
Guys, we made it here. Look at this. Oh, I hope you can see us still. And it's rainy, and it's like 37 degrees. 37 degrees. But guess what? We're still going to have fun because that is what you do. So, we're going to breathe out. Guys, okay, so we're back because it's snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing! It's snowing!
Kind of.
It's like half snowing! Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm so happy! It's snowing! It's snowing!
What?
Now
It's just a little cold.
Just jump. That was amazing.
If you look straight in front of you, you'll see a wild Quinn standing on a rock. In her natural, let's watch quietly and carefully. Let's get a better angle. Oh, she spotted us.
What?
Shh, quiet, she spotted us. Okay, we can go now. Next we'll find a wild Nate.
Ah, yeah.
Oh,
Look out there.
this is a wild Nate in his natural
What the-
habitat. You can tell it's Nate by the way it is.
Whoa! Still hiking?
What's your umbrella?
Woo! Woohoo! Everybody wave! Woo! It's a nice, really cold, cloudy day, but we're enjoying this hike. Water! Oh, this is unavoidable. Oh no, going quick. Ah! I think I made it. Alright, on to the falls we go. Guys, look! It's not much, but it's snow. It's snow. Okay, keep walking. That's all I needed. Alright guys, I know it's hard to see, but if you look, You see little tiny waterfall? And there's some leaves falling and so good. And snow. Franklin Falls! That's where we're going. And that's snow.
It's snowing.
And Nate
This
is
is not
using
an
an umbrella.
This is not what it looks like.
Paige.
What?
You're from Seattle.
Yeah.
How dare you use an umbrella?
Oh,
I
I'm
saw
not
you
using
holding it earlier.
I'm
Shame.
just standing right
Shame.
here. Pouring rain.
We're approaching. Whoa. We're approaching Franklin Falls. Everything is wet. It's like if you've ever been to Yosemite and been on the mist trail. Oh my God!
It's snowing.
It's snowing. There's falls. This is freaking amazing. What is life? What is life? What is life? Woo! Yep, my hands are cold. Look at this. Look at. I ate one. I ate some snow. Look, snow. Colors of fall. Ah! Oh no! That's so much water on the lens. Most people on a day like today would be in bed, drinking hot cocoa, watching Netflix. Not us! That is not what we do! This is what we do! This! Oh, it's so cold! Woo! Woo! Okay. Quinn, how's the view? How's the view?
It's great.
Sweet! Alright, bye! Get it. Get it. Get it.
Oh.
There you go.
Is it working? Is this how you do it?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Try harder.
Ow, I got it. I got it.
Good news, we're back at the house, and we're gonna chill for a little bit, honestly, because we were freezing up on that mountain. But that's alright, that's what you gotta do. You gotta be cold to make some memories and get some good photos sometime. So, in the meantime, we're just gonna chill, hang out, get some warm to drink, maybe chill and watch a movie, and we'll come back to you.